Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sue. If today is your first time, you are welcome. So guys, today I'm going to be sharing my simple breakfast recipe. All right, this is omelette. Okay, so I'm going to be using some fresh tomatoes and some eggs. Okay, as I'm done with the tomatoes, so I'm going to take this away. Omelette. Pinch of salt, okay, and whisk. And like a tablespoon. Okay. So I'll just go ahead and add some oil in my heated pan. Okay, spread it even. Then I place my sliced tomatoes, okay, next to each other. All right, so the next thing I'll be doing is to add my onions. Okay, I'm using freeze-dried onions, okay, and some pinch of black pepper, and then a pinch of salt. Okay, yeah, make sure you don't fry them on a high heat. On a medium it is okay. So I just go ahead and flip them over before I add my beaten eggs. All right, so as simple as that. Believe me, this will be the tastiest and healthiest breakfast you would ever make for yourself, right? So I sprinkle a bit of black pepper, okay, and then I sprinkle a bit of beeslock. I don't know the English name, but it's just like parsley. Yes, it's also like parsley. Okay, so I'll sprinkle a bit of mozzarella cheese, which is also optional. Okay, yes, so you can opt that out if you are not okay with it, but when you do this combination, believe me, you're going to enjoy your breakfast. So as you can see, my omelette is ready. Okay, when you try to flip it and it comes whole, then it's ready. All right, so guys, I'm just blushing over my breakfast. Okay, so guys, you can see my omelette came out perfect, so tasty and delicious, and the aroma. So guys, I hope you try this recipe and see you on my next video.